Welcome to Better Home Recordings. I am so glad you found us. On this channel, I'll help you find your way through the maze of technology and techniques that can sometimes be a little overwhelming as you make your way down your true audio path. Interested to see what you're going to learn? Someone hit record. Hi kids, my name is Merlin, and I've been a pro audio engineer for 40 years. That's right kids, Grandpa's doing YouTube. I've had a home recording setup for the past 20 years, and I've worked on thousands and thousands of projects from the famous to the not so famous. I would include my own projects in that latter bunch. I feel it's time to pay back the industry that has been so good to me by helping others to learn the ways of an audio magician. So what kind of things are you going to learn on this channel? Man, where to start? We'll be covering everything from the basics of home studio setup, things like equipment needed, proper speaker placement, room absorption, to the intricacies of mixing, things such as signal path, proper gain staging, plug-in use, and learning to mix with your ears and not your eyes. Sound interesting? We'll explore such things as miking techniques, EQ use, compression use, parallel bus techniques, and general rule of thumb audio techniques. Notice I say rule of thumb. That's because although there may be some hard rules for recording, such as don't clip digital audio signals, I subscribe to the notion that you should never box yourself in with rules when making the best recordings that you can. It always gives me pause when I hear somebody say something like, "Never use more than one microphone to record instrument X." I mean, I have to call shenanigans. If you can get a good sound or achieve the desired effect by recording an acoustic guitar, say, with 2 paper cups tied together with string, then by all means, that's what you should do. To quote the great Duke Ellington, if it sounds good, then it is good. So remember, the first rule of better home recordings is there are no rules. Once again, welcome to Better Home Recordings, and please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can join the community here. We would love to have you. And I'll see you through the glass. See you later.